But first, stick around for some quality time with these fine gentlemen, who've got some bone-shattering weapons of their own. When Time Warp returns. Note to self based on first-hand observation. Sticks and stones can definitely break your bones. Welcome to the brutal world of Kali, the Filipino martial art of stick fighting. Nick Papadakis, Roan Kalani Grimm, and Eric Bryant are members of the Dog Brothers, an elite group of martial artists known for their aggressive sparring method they call, appropriately enough, real contact stick fighting. They basically use those aforementioned sticks to whoop each other vigorously.
Breaking it.
Pretty good. You guys look like you're fighting with bamboo sticks. What are these actually?
These sticks are made of rattan, and it's from a martial art in the Philippines. And it's been brought over here, and we all learned it.
Looks like you can do some damage with one of these puppies.
Damage is an understatement. These lightweight rattan sticks, weighing a mere 8 ounces, pack quite a wallop and can really punish another human being, which of course is the entire point of this exercise. But first, let's take a look at the sticks.
All right, and it looks like there's a pretty good variation of sizes. You'd have to choose between kind of your speed and your power.
Got a nice range here from the
low caliber, medium caliber, artillery.
Right.
And for our first shot, we're bringing out those big guns to see what damage we can do.
Got it.
First revelation, rattan starts with the same letter as rubber for a reason.
Dude, look at that. I think the sticks wrap right at that moment of impact.
The whip action amplifies the power of the blow.
You can feel the energy coming through, but I've never seen exactly what happens. It's pretty amazing.
The tip of the stick doesn't know the rest of the stick has made contact.
Yeah.
The information has to travel, and it only travels at the speed of sound. So that's several thousand feet per second. It has to wait, a thousandth of a second to get that information there.
Look at your form right at the moment of contact, like when it starts absorbing everything.
See it go through my wrist.
Yeah.
And there's also, if you back up right to the point of impact, right near the handle, you can see a crack.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pops right there.
Oh,
Look at that.
Yeah, it kind of bows open.
Yeah.
Now, being Time Warp and all, we've got to raise the bar a notch.
Nice.
What happens when stick hits an object, say a human skull? Of course, even our hard-headed friends don't want to take that kind of abuse, so we'll use a substitute.
You're gonna get coconut.
Maybe I'll move where you are, Scott.
Yeah, coconut smoothie all over you.
Pina colada, anyone?
Oh, hey. Wow.
Oh, all right. That did not leave much. You actually got the whole coconut
meat
inner
off.
part off.
Yes.
That's
Hawaiian.
pretty awesome.
Thank you.
That would be your brains.
Yeah, right.
For a real head.
Corpus callosum and cerebrum.
Thanks for that image, guys.
Okay.
Now let's check out the damage. Yes, we do like to milk this slow-mo footage.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a game face on the whole
Yeah.
I didn't realize there was that much milk inside of
Oh, dude.
I would not want that to be my skull.
Okay, we've seen what the stick can do to a poor, defenseless coconut. But obviously, we just can't leave well enough alone. When we come back, stick meets body. and body meets pain.
You gotta watch out.
And when the rubber meets the road,